shape, shine, shell, shabby, shrimp, shrewd, brush, cash, fish, harsh, rushed, publish, foolish, ocean, machine, portion, mention, addiction, assumption, sensation. Number 1, technicians, rushed, machine. The technicians rushed to repair the machine. Number 2, she, groceries, cash. She paid for the groceries with cash. Number 3, essential, share, information. It's essential that we share this information with the public. Number 4, invitation, mention, location. The invitation didn't mention the location of the party. Number 5, chef, selection, dishes. The chef prepared a selection of dishes for us to try. Number 6, wash, shampoo, conditioner. I always wash my hair with shampoo and conditioner.